Hey everyone, it's Ryder from All Things Automotive. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you're all having a wonderful day so far. We have a good one for you today. It's going to be a 2019 Ford Edge ST and a white metallic exterior. I would like to mention that this vehicle has a clean CARFAX. We're going to walk around, show you some features, advantages, and benefits owning this gorgeous vehicle. Starting here at the front end, the first thing you'll notice is those gorgeous LED headlights. Down below that, you'll see that you also have running LED fog lights. Then you'll also see that beautiful black trim there along the bottom. Then coming here right to the emblem, you'll see that beautiful black grill insert along with the black accents with that gorgeous ST red logo. Making our way here to the side of the vehicle, you'll notice there's like new tires all the way around, just like every other vehicle here at All Things Automotive. Now to accompany that black trim, you also notice that your rims will be blacked out. Those are gorgeous. Let's just take a second and appreciate those for a second. However, I would like to mention before we show you some of the interior, here on your mirrors, you will have your turn signal indicators on the back. And then you will have that blind spot monitoring here on the front for your added convenience. Then not to mention here on your door handles, you will have that proximity unlock and lock. As long as that key is in your pocket, you will be able to unlock it just by holding onto that side of the door handle. However, moving here to the interior, this is going to come with a premium, beautiful black leather interior, not to mention that beautiful ST stitching on the seats there as well. Then keeping the same theme, you'll have that beautiful black matte dash here. While we're in here, let's go ahead and open up the glove box, show you guys the inspection sheet, show you guys the tire depths as well as the brakes. Now, on this specific ST, you will have 10 and 32 seconds all the way around for your tire depths. Brakes in the front will be 17 and 32 seconds, with the rear brakes being 14 and 32 seconds. Making our way here to the back seat, that beautiful black leather interior will stay the same. Now, I will mention that this is one of the most loaded vehicles I have ever seen. Here behind the driver and passenger seat, you will have heated rear seats as well. Not to mention, you'll have a 12-volt plug-in there. And then right beside that, you'll have a 150-watt outlet. But here between the rear seats here, you'll have a pull-down middle console equipped with 2 cup holders. Here at the rear of the vehicle, a couple of things to point out before we go ahead and pop the trunk and show you guys that trunk space. You will have a backup camera for your added convenience. And then down below, you will have a hitch here covered by a cover for all of your towing needs there. Now, putting that cover back on, let's go ahead and pop this trunk for you guys. Now, this is going to be an automatic lift for you guys for your added convenience. And then not to mention, you will have plenty of trunk space back here with a cover, so don't worry about any of the privacy needs. Putting that back in, we'll go ahead and give you guys a little demonstration here. Now, you can put your seats up and down, which are going to be automatic, just using that button there as well. And a 12-volt plug-in there beside that. Now, I just want to do a quick demonstration showing you guys for this netting here. All you guys will do is just press that down, which will open up these hooks here. And then these little ends here will just hook right on there. Allowing for a pop-up net, so don't worry about any of your groceries or anything that you're hauling here in the trunk to slide back and then hit this back panel here. Don't worry about any of that. Really quickly, before we move on to some of the interior features, I do just want to point out that this will come equipped with keyless entry. So if you forget your keys, don't worry about not being able to get in your vehicle. Now, finally, moving on to some of the interior features of this vehicle, it will come equipped with power locks as well as memorization for all of your settings, power windows, power mirrors, and power seat adjustments. Hopping on in, let's go ahead and start this beauty up for you guys. So this vehicle will come with just over 27,000 miles on it. To the left side of your steering wheel, you'll have all of your headlight options there, as well as some of the brightness to your middle display and the trunk release. The left knob behind your steering wheel will be your turn signals, as well as your high beams and low beams. The right side will be all your windshield wiper adjustments for your front and rear. Left side of your steering wheel will be your driver display options here on the left side, as well as your cruise control here below that. And on the right side, you'll have your center display options, as well as your touch to talk and volume control. Moving here to the center display, it will come with a large touchscreen display equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth ready, navigation, and as I mentioned before, a backup camera. Now, you'll have some center display options there, as well as your climate control to touch your fingertips. Here you'll have a small storage compartment equipped with 2 USB ports. Below that, you'll have your shifter as well as your parking brake and some different options there for your parking assist. You'll have a small storage compartment up top with 2 cup holders behind that and another small storage compartment back here. Now, moving on to your center console, you will have a 2-part center console, one allowing for a smaller storage compartment up top, and then pressing the button on the left side, it will open up into a larger center console with a 12-volt plug in there as well. For the final portion of the interior side of this vehicle, up top you will have lighting options for both your driver and passenger. You will have the shader option for your panoramic sunroof here. It takes a while to get there. I won't bore you guys with that. And then you'll also, right below that, or right beside that, I apologize, you'll have the options to open and close your panoramic sunroof. And then finally here, you will have a sunglass holder as well. Taking a look underneath the hood, you'll find a 2.7 liter V6 engine. You'll also notice that our engine bays come extremely clean and well maintained, free of any evidence of oil or exhaust leaks. For the final portion of this video, we're going to walk around and show you any imperfections you can find. Here in the front, you will have a couple of your small typical stone chips. And like I say in every other video, the only way to avoid these is to keep the garage kept its entire life. However, as we make our way around the rest of this vehicle, there are no scratches, no marks, no dings, anywhere to be found. This is an extremely clean 2019 Ford Edge ST. That's all I have for you guys today on this gorgeous 2019 Ford Edge ST in a white metallic exterior. If you have any questions, please call 717-485-4224, options 1 for sales. Go to allthingsautomotive.com or just go ahead and stop on out at 21518 Great Cove Road in Collinsburg, PA.